Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create a fake WhatsApp account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can get a free fake WhatsApp number for WhatsApp verification. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to download this application, which is temporary phone number. Now this is a new application, so you can see it over here. This is a very new application for you to get your free number for WhatsApp verification over here. Now once this application is downloaded, just go ahead and then open this application. Now let me show you how this application looks like. You can see this application over here. Just open this application and you can see. Now once you open this application, click on I agree and then continue over here. Now you can see once you open this application, you can see server 1, server 2, server 3. Just click on server 1 over here. And once you click on server 1, you can see please wait, add loading. So just wait for it to load and add and then skip the add. So just wait for a while. So you can see numbers loaded successfully. Click on next and you can see so many countries over here. You can see search country. So you can see United States, you can see France, Denmark, Netherlands, Sweden over here. So just click on United States, and once you click on United States, you can see the numbers over here. Now click on the one that you prefer over here and you can see wait for 1 to 2 minutes. You can just copy the number over here. So just wait and then copy this number. Now once you paste this number over here, all you want to do is to open your WhatsApp. So just go ahead and open your WhatsApp over here. If your WhatsApp is not updated, you need to make sure you update your WhatsApp and then use the latest version of WhatsApp. Now just paste the number over here. The +1 is here, so select the country to United States, and then once you have selected the country to United States, the +1 is already here, so just delete the +1. So just delete this one and then click on next. Now once you click on next, just go back to this application and you can see over here refresh SMS. Now once you click on refresh SMS, you can see loading and you can see your verification code over here. Now just copy this code to your WhatsApp and then create your unlimited fake WhatsApp account. Now with this, you can create your unlimited WhatsApp account using this new application. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video